iPhone. So let's unbox
Which
this.
phone is this?
iPhone XS Max Silver 256 GB.
Yeah.
So let's unbox.
Yeah. Which is the color?
Silver.
Okay.
So much confusions happen.
After so many confusion, you have asked for white.
विकास
सिल्वर।
सर भी गोल्ड ही बोल रहे थे
हाँ।
फाइनली आज मिल गया
हाँ।
गोल्ड रहता तो परसों ही मिल गया
Here it is. The brand new iPhone XS Max Silver.
So are you gifting me?
Sure, why not? After all, anything for you, man. As usual, normal earphone, lightning cable,
Okay.
charger pin,
Adapter.
adapter. Right. So this
Udghatan.
hey, I can see my face.
Yeah.
Even you can see
Yeah.
what is there from the backside also.
Yeah.
Welcome to Apple. बस इतना नहीं क्रॉम फिनिश नहीं जाएंगे ये क्रॉम फिनिश है हाँ नहीं जाएंगी हेलो हेलो starting now where to start now English yes I'm from India setting
Hello.
setting
ನೀವು ಮೋಹನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮೋಹನ್
English next.
ಫುಲ್ ಆಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
Ayastra GB.
ಅವ್ನು ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್
Pause
ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು
करो।
ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫೋನ್
Pause
ಮಾಡಿದೆ
pause कर दो वापस रेड वाला
We have got a gift from Ayastra. This is complimentary gift.
watch rupees 3000
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್
So it's a laptop backpack.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
here you can put your laptop
Yeah.
and here you can put your notebook also
Yeah.
small one small packet here you can put your earphones small stuffs and all
Yeah.
so back to this phone
So we should have got one charger also, back charger.
yeah okay, now he's telling me to set up the face ID get start move your head slowly to complete circle follow the arrow
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್
ऊपर कर रहे हैं मुंडा, राइट साइड.
ಹಲೋ
exercise कर रहा है face ID scan complete continue what is this now again
Yeah.
continue passcode I'll put 4 digit only 1707 this is my date of birth 1707 is the passcode which is my date of birth
Why do you want to tell your passcode?
ಇದು ಅವ್ರು ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ಲಿ.
So whenever you
Who will
lose
gonna
your
use my
debit
phone?
card,
Who will
credit
use my
card,
phone?
we
No,
can
all my debit
use
card
it.
and credit cards password are different. Set up as new iPhone. Okay, what to do? Forget, don't have an Apple ID.
So we will end this
Set up later in settings. Don't use.
iPhone video.
I'll
Chalo.
take some
Happy Diwali.